Hello friends, this is Sasi and welcome to my channel Fear Not English. Today I am going to present in front of you 24 interesting facts about English language. Perhaps they are still unknown to you, so please keep watching till the end. Fact number 1. The original name of butterfly is flutterby. In course of time the word changed and became butterfly. Today we are acquainted with the word butterfly instead of flutterby. Fact number 2. The longest English word is pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. It is the name of a lungs disease. The word consists of 45 letters. Fact number 3. The word alphabet came from the first two letters of Greek alphabet, alpha and beta. Fact number 4. The smallest sentence in English language is go. It is an imperative sentence that doesn't contain a subject. The shortest sentence along with the subject is I am. Fact number 5. A pangram is a sentence that contains every letter in the language. Example: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence contains all the letters from A to Z. It is a very popular sentence used for typewriting practice. Another pangram is pack my box with 5 dozen liquor jugs. Fact number 6. Portmanteau is a word that is made with blending two sounds and combining their meaning. First example is hangry, which means hungry and angry. Second example is brunch, which means breakfast and lunch. A meal eaten later in the day than breakfast and earlier than lunch, or often consisting of typical foods from both of these meals. Fact number 7. The day after tomorrow is known overmorrow. However, the word is uncommon, but it is there in the dictionary. Fact number 8. Swims is swims even when turned upside down. This type of word is called ambigram. Fact number 9. Malayalam, level, radar, madam, refer. These words are read same forward and backward. These types of words are called palindrome. Palindrome is a word, phrase or number that is read same forward and backward. Palindrome can be a sentence also. For example, was it a car or a cat I saw? Rise to vote, sir. Both of these sentences read the same in either direction. Sometimes punctuation marks and spaces are ignored. Similarly, palindrome day happens when the date can be read the same way backward and forward. For example, 2nd February 2020 reads similar from both directions, 02022020. Fact number 10. English is not an official language in United States. In fact, there is nothing written in US Constitution about their official language. However, most common language spoken in US is English. Fact number 11. In accordance with Oxford Dictionary, the most commonly used English letter is E and the least used letter is Q. More number of words start with letter S than any other letter. Fact number 12. Uncopyrightable is the longest word in which no letter is used more than once. You can see each letter is used only once. Fact number 13. There is no letter A in all the numbers before 1000 and no letter B before 1 billion. Fact number 14. Contronym is a word that has two opposite meanings. First example is cleave, which means stick together, and split apart. Here both the meanings are opposite to each other. Second example is left, which has two opposite meanings, remained and departed. Fact number 15. The word queuing has 5 consecutive vowels, UE, UE, I. Fact number 16. The longest word that does not have any real vowel is rhythm. Real vowels are A, E, I, O and U. Fact number 17. The only word that ends with mt is dreamt. It is the past form of the verb dream. Fact number 18. In English alphabet, W is the only letter that has 3 syllables. Fact number 19. The word bookkeeper has 3 consecutive double letters without any hyphen. Double letters are double O, double K and double E. Fact number 20. The word triskaidekaphobia means extreme fear of number 13. Don't you think the word is very strange? Fact number 21. The dot over the letter I is called title. Fact number 22. The term QWERTY keyboard came from the 6 consecutive letters of keyboard. Just look at the picture. Fact number 23. Why is pronoun I always written capital? Here is your answer. The English word I came from German word is. Over the years it dropped ch. However, in the beginning small I was written. At the end of the 14th century, Geoffrey Chaucer wrote the Canterville Tales, in which he introduced slightly taller I. From then on, capitalized I came into existence. Fact number 24. What is a ghost word? And the answer is that a ghost word is a non-existent or meaningless word that appears in the dictionary due to printing errors. One of the most famous ghost words is dirt. It was printed in the 1934 second edition of the Webster New International Dictionary. Later on, it was found meaningless and was removed from the dictionary. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share my videos. You can subscribe my channel if you think it will be useful for you.